What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Just So You Know, Dom, back at it again. And in this video, you probably got to it because you're trying to look up property information. Who owns a house, or who owns your condo or your apartment? Well, guess what? I'm about to help you. Let's get into it. First things first, you want to go to melissa.com. And then what's this? Cookies. Okay, so just got it, whatever. And then go to Lookups. So Lookups will be at the top, toward the middle. Click Lookups, and then you want to go down to property information. It says it's hot. Okay, property information, and then you just type in like the address that you like looking for. You're trying to get the property information for. So I discovered this way because me and my wife, we were looking at like different properties or whatever, and we had went over someone's house, and then we were trying to see exactly how much the houses were costing in that area. So I had Googled it and came upon this site, and yeah, there it was. And it showed us exactly how much the houses were, who owned the house, and blah blah blah. But anywho, let's get right into it. I'm going to put in probably my old address growing up as a kid. Let's start Detroit. Okay. Oops. And then you just want to, once you put the address in, you want to hit submit. This whole MAK, I didn't really look into that. I'm sure you don't need that. Freeform, I don't know what the heck that is. And then just click submit. So now, once you get that, you want to scroll down where it says property information. And then it shows like the property address, the Melissa address key. I'm not really sure what this is, but yeah, it shows like the county or whatever, the owner's name. So this is, pretty much the information that you were looking for. So the owner's information is right here. It has the address of the house that you just put in, or the property that you just put in, and who owns it, the type of owners. So it says, in this case, it's individual, the estimated market value, the year that it was assessed. So like probably the year that they actually like purchased it from the previous owner. Assets value total, the year that the house or property was built as well. So that would probably be some important information. The square footage of the house, first floor, second floor, whichever amount of floors that it has. It shows you like the area of it. If it has like a parking garage, I think they include that as like a garage, like a regular just garage or whatever. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And sometimes like you have certain like property management companies, like they own like a numerous amount of properties, and it'll be like a link towards it. It's not on this, but I've seen it before when I was searching for properties, and once you click that link, it'll show you like everything that person owns or whatever. In another video I did previously, so like how it has the owner's name. So let's say, for example, you're curious on where the owner lives, or maybe you want to find like other properties that they own. You can use truepeoplesearch.com. I made a video on that, so I'll probably include a link so you can see that video as well, so you can find out more information on the owner, and most likely more properties that they own as well. So take ahead and go ahead and just check that out when you get done with this video. And yeah, that's everything. All right, cool, y'all. Hopefully that was very helpful, and that you was able to get something from it, and that you make sure that you like, share, and subscribe so you can help someone else just as I have helped you. And stay safe out there.